Yeah, I'm here at Kaizer Chiefs Village where Kaizer Chiefs is playing Randburg, the development. I'm just here as somebody who likes development, as somebody who works with development. I'm here to watch these boys play. If you can check, you can see I'm at Naturena here. See the mountain there, I'm at Naturena. And what excited me more today is that I didn't know that Kaizer Chiefs has started. Chap, how are you? All right, man. I didn't know that Kaizer Chiefs has started a female ladies team. I didn't know that. So I am very, very excited about that because it means ladies soccer will go forward. TS Galaxy and Sundowns are not alone now, but there are more people, there are more teams that have started such an initiative. I wish other teams, especially Orlando Pirates, could follow suit by by starting a ladies team as well, by establishing a ladies team as well. I saw the ladies, they are so well dressed. You can see I'm at Naturena. You can see I'm at Naturena just to watch development. I like development very much as somebody who also runs Newcastle Football Academy, known as Kosietu Football Stars. So I always come here, and I was very excited to meet the legends. I met Fabian McCarthy, I met Ace Kuse today, and the wonderful people. The parents are here. It's just the rain that almost disturbed it because some parents left, but it's still full. It's not bad at all. So we like development. We like what Kaizer Chiefs is doing. It's not about which team you support. It's not about who you love. It's all about soccer here. And soccer, I think, is a winner here. Yeah, I don't know the score now because I also had to run away from the rain and go and hide in the car there. But yeah, it looks great. Naturally, more teams. The message is clear. More teams need to develop ladies football. More teams need to contribute in the development of ladies football, like Kaizer Chiefs has started now. I heard the team started late last year because there was no more ladies team at Chiefs as well, but they started the team late last year, which is very good, and we appreciate that to the whole Kaizer Chiefs family. We appreciate that very much. So yeah, I'm here in the afternoon. We'll be watching Chiefs. Playing down in Durban against Makesi. So we don't know who is going to win, but we are expecting a good game. But right now, it's all about development. You can look at the back there. You can check at the back there. You can see that is where the senior team is training. You can see there. You can see the gazebos there behind me on my left shoulder. You can see that is Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, the facilities, as they always praise them, they are so good at Chiefs. Behind me there is another pitch there. Here is where the main team, where the first team trains. But other than that, no, I enjoyed my day at Naturena today, and I'm still enjoying it. Then I will leave later on to go and watch soccer so I can analyze for you. We Talk Football SA, the only channel that matters. This is Mnigani Mdunga. Thank you.